Good morning, friends. We're going to do calendar this morning. Are you ready? Let's do our rule song. Here we go. Eyes on teacher, eyes on teacher. Listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands. And a calm body, and a calm body. Nice job, friends. I thought we would look at one letter first. So I'm going to click on a letter. And what letter is that? That's a lowercase or a little letter named F. F makes the F sound. Let's look. Here comes the capital F. In lowercase f. I see an animal. F-O-X, if we sound it out. Ox. Fox. That says fox.
Fox.
A fox starts with letter F. There he is. Ooh, what's this called? You tell me, what is that called? That's right, it's a fish. Can you say fish? Fish.
Fish.
Nice. Oh, he's swimming. There are two fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? That's a number. 5. That's the word 5. And we see the number 5. 5 fingers.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then you can give someone a high five. All right, next. He's going on a rowboat. Which one does not belong? Which one is not an F? Right. X is not an F. By X. Let's keep going. I see an F. I see an F. What letter is this? Is this an F? No. No, it's not an F. It's a V. By V. I think there's one more. Here's an F. Here's an F. What letter is this? It's an I, right? I is not an F. There it goes. Fantastic is another word that starts with F. Fish are jumping. We did a good job with letter F. Let's start our calendar now. Let's go back. Here's the calendar.
Yippee!
All right.
It's April
So
2020.
first, we're going to do the days of the week. Get ready. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, yesterday was Monday. Today is what? It's Tuesday. You tell me, what is it? Tuesday. Nice job. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Let's click on that box that says Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. Okay, so now we have to do the months of the year, right? There are 12 months in a year. Here we go. Ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. Nice job. Excuse me. The month is called what? It's April. Good job. It's April. It's still April. Let's see what number it is today. We have to do some counting now, okay? We always start with number 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You tell me. That's right, 14. Today is the 14th, right? I made my 1 and my 4 with dots. I can make a 14. 1, right? And then I'm going to trace and make a 4. Up, down. Did I make a 14? Yeah, it's not the best, but it's okay. That's the same. They're both 14. Good. Now, I'm going to look at my 10 frame. I filled up one 10 frame. That's 10. 10, 11, 12, 13. We need another one to make 14. Let's choose pink. All right. Okay, that's 4 in that 10 frame. 10 plus 4 is 14. I have 14 dots, right? We're making 14. So this is like the same. 14 dots and the number 14. Nice job. That's matching the number to the amount. How many? 14. Nice job. Let's talk about the weather. That's the last thing. I heard some weather yesterday. Ready? Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? What's the weather? Take a look out your window right now. Ooh. In Northbridge, where Miss Amanda is, it is sunny outside today. Sunny. Yesterday, oh my goodness, it was so windy. Lots of wind. You might have heard the wind. Trees might have fallen down. You might have lost electricity, so your lights might have been out. But I'm glad that today it's just sunny, which is really nice. Sunny. All right, friends, let's say the whole date, okay? Today is Tuesday. That's right. What's the month? Can you tell me? The month is, you tell me. April, right. What was the number? 14. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. And the weather is sunny. Nice job, you guys. I'm going to be back this afternoon and do another lesson for you. It might be about farm animals. See you later.